in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to hopefully resolve if your search bar or search menu options are not working or you can't type into your ASUS laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So what I have to do is right-click on the taskbar and select Task Manager. Select the Run New Task button at the top, and then type in CMD and checkmark where it says create this task with administrative privileges and select OK. And now you want to type in SFC /scan now. Scan now should all be one word attached to that / out front. Hit enter on your keyboard to begin the system scan. This will take some time to run, so please be patient. Okay, so once that's done, close out of here and then restart your computer. And there you go, guys. Hopefully at this point, your issue with your search should be resolved on your ASUS device. So as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.